Hello, I hope you are having a great day. My name is Emma. If you are interested in the Fungosome supplement, or how to get rid of nail fungus for good without lies, surgeries, and expensive medications, if nothing really works for you, you are a normal person. It's not your fault. And today, in this honest Fungosome review, I'm going to tell you everything you really need to know before you get Fungosome, which is the new bestseller that helps you with nail fungus. I also have some really important warnings, so stay with me and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Recent studies published in the National Bookstore of Medicine show a recent advance in therapies to combat nail fungus and onychomycosis. Between topical and oral therapies, it was concluded that despite significant advances in the effectiveness of topical treatments, mycological and complete cure rates remain higher when using oral agents, which is where Fungosome comes in. What is Fungosome? And why is this supplement a different product? Fungosome is a formula with selected ingredients to combat toenail fungus and other fungal infections. After many scientific studies, researchers were able to develop this all-natural formula, which effectively eliminates toenail fungus and strengthens immunity. Fungosome is an award-winning supplement that has been used by thousands of people who have suffered from nail fungus, and managed to improve their infection in just a few days of use. Therefore, you can really trust Fungosome. The first important warning I have to say is that you need to be very careful about the website from which you will buy this supplement, because with the success of Fungosome, unfortunately many people are selling counterfeit products on the internet. But the original Fungosome is only sold on the official website. You will not find the original Fungosome on Amazon, or in any market. If you decide to buy Fungosome elsewhere, you will probably receive a fake product without warranty, and it is extremely dangerous for your health. To help you, I will leave the link to the official website below in the description of this video, okay? Does Fungosome really work? The answer is yes. It is manufactured under the strictest and most sterile standards in a GMP-certified and FDA-approved laboratory. Also, the ingredients are natural and GMO-free, so it causes no side effects and you can use it in complete safety. But to get results with this supplement, you need to do the right treatment without fail. Therefore, you should take 2 capsules every day with a glass of water, and preferably 30 minutes after any meal. By doing this treatment correctly, you will start to see improvements in your nails already in the first days of use. But I want to tell you that you need to take your treatment seriously, because if you don't take your treatment seriously, you will probably get frustrated. It is not a miracle. Keep in mind that every body reacts and absorbs vitamins and nutrients in a different way. It is scientifically proven that the ingredients in Fungosome have their greatest effect after 3 to 6 months. That's why it makes a lot of sense to start with the 3 or 6 month packages. You can order 3 or 6 bottles, as it is cheaper, and it helps not to interrupt the treatment. Another important thing you need to know is that when you buy Fungosome, you are covered by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. This way, you can actually test the supplement to see the results, and if for any reason you are not satisfied or find that it is not working, you can ask for your money back without any inconvenience. So, I decided to record this video to tell you to be careful about the website where you go to buy Fungosome. So make sure you buy from the official site so you don't fall for any fraud. To help you, I left in the description of this video the link to the official site. And I also wanted to give you all the information you need to know about this supplement. Remember that if you start your treatment with Fungosome, you should make the correct use to get the best results. Well, I hope I have helped you with this honest review of Fungosome. I wish you good health, and see you later.